something that I've always wanted to do is plant my own garden. So spring makes me so excited for that. And last year I attempted to plant my own garden, but I did not keep up with watering my flowers, so they didn't bloom. But this year I planted my garden a little bit earlier, that way my flowers could start growing with the beautiful rainwater that's happening, and they are growing. So it's very exciting to see that, but I'm hoping that I will see them bloom. I'm definitely committed to like watering them, and I'm hoping they bloom before summer, but if not, I'll keep watering them and hoping to see those flowers bloom. Of course, I'm excited to make some beautiful flower bouquets with my beautiful flowers. I think that's going to be so beautiful to display them around my house. And of course, I'm going to keep some planted because that looks beautiful in my garden too. Yeah, and I'm excited to show you guys an update. I did plant the seeds a while ago, and it's been maybe like a month or so already, and they are growing, and can't wait to see them bloom though, but I'll show you guys an update. So I just picked up some beautiful fresh flowers from my local market. I got these beautiful spring red roses. They're so beautiful. I'm thinking of like putting them in 2 vases. And then I got this stock bunch here to pair with these beautiful pink ranunculus. So these ranunculus flowers are starting to become some of my favorite flowers. I just love the way they bloom. And I actually really want to grow some of my own because I really do like how they bloom. But yes, it's always beautiful to treat myself to some fresh flowers at the beginning of each week. It definitely fills up my home with so much beauty. But yes, I love these flowers. So I'm really craving these flautas, which is a Mexican dish, which is chicken wrapped in tortillas. So they're like these little taquitos topped with lettuce, sour cream, and cheese. Lots of cheese because I am a cheese lover. And I'm excited to show you guys how I make them. So join me. Use lots of oil. I preheated the tortillas in my small oven so that they could easily bend like this. Otherwise they'll break. And I have some shredded chicken here, and I'm going to put it on the tortilla just like this. And then I'm going to roll it up like this and place it in some oil. I'm just going to chop off some lettuce. And we're going to put some sour cream on our tacos. And we're going to put some lettuce on top. And some cheese. And we got some avocado here. Now we're gonna put it here. Look how gorgeous that is. And I have some beans boiling here from earlier, which I'm gonna add as a side dish to my beautiful plate here.